2 kilometers in. Just sneak up on him. Yeah. Keep in mind I'm on the left side of the ship. Man, this is perfect. Don't move your nose to the left. If you move it anywhere, move it to the right, because I'm on the left side of the body. So you're just going to block my shot. Yeah, he looks like he's just chilling. Either way, we got the element of surprise, so we can probably do critical damage before he can do crap. Assuming it's more than one person inside. I'm gonna open up now. Turn your nose to the right a bit more so I can watch this a bit better. Thanks. Wow. With that hammerhead. Oh, and we broke the game. Did you crash too? Dude, we just blew up the whole server. Oh man. Okay. It really is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we crashed the whole server there.